3D printing has taken the printing industry to the next level. Do not let the costs associated with the equipment and materials deter you from getting the equipment you need most. Let the equipment be the least of your worries with our quick and convenient 3D printing financing solutions. This video was created to help you better understand 3D equipment financing and the many facets to making sure you are getting the best financing for your equipment needs. Be sure to inquire about our many unique 3D equipment financing programs and payment options. We even have 90 and 120-day deferred payment solutions on approved credit. If you have financing questions, Kelly Montalbano can be reached at 949-225-1750. Kelly is an equipment financing expert and will be happy to assist you from application to equipment delivery. Since 2007, everything we do at Envision Capital Group is designed to make sure you are getting the best rate and term for your equipment financing needs. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to answering your questions and working with you.